Good morning. I'm Ajit Kumar Due, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Education, Jamshedpur Cooperative College. Students, today we will discuss about a very important topic of course 6, that is paper 6, unit 2nd. The topic is gender stereotype role assignment. It's a very important topic, and first of all, we will discuss about the meaning of stereotype. What is the meaning of stereotype? Stereotype is nothing, it's a set of ideas. Stereotype are ideas about how people will act based on the group to which they belong. It is a set of ideas. Now, the gender stereotypes are culturally defined expectation. It's the expectation. Gender stereotypes are culturally defined expectation about the sexes which begin developing early in life and became extensive as children grow older. As children grow older, it became more extensive and more ideas are developed in their minds. We can also say gender stereotype are the beliefs that people have about the characteristics of male and female. What we think, what we have in our mind about the male and female, it's all about the male and female characteristics. We always create in our mind the male characteristics and female characteristics. These all are the gender stereotype that we have in our mind, and we can also distinguish between the male activity and the female activity. It also depends in our mindset and mind. The expectation that we have discussed earlier, the expectations are often related to the roles that the sexes fulfill in their culture. It's also related to their culture. In our culture, we always assume girls are made for cooking and singing and stay at home. But we can say for our male, they are supposed to work outside the home and bring money, and arrange livelihood for their families. We can say in different culture, across culture, men are assumed to be aggressive, independent, and assertive. And in another way, in other side, a woman is supposed to be emotional, sensitive, empathic, and complaint. Our general characteristics that we frame in our mind for male and female. We can also say in domestic behavior, some people expect that women will take care of the children, cook and clean the home, while men care of finance, work on a car, and do the home repairs. These are common we use these terms in our domestic language, in domestic home. Uh, a more example I would like to share it with you. It is a general in school life. Subjects is a very important part in gender stereotype. In our mind, we can say that the boys are supposed to take or supposed to choose science subject or math subject, and girls are supposed to choose language subject, art subject, drawing and painting, dance, drama, these subjects are supposed to made for girls. Now this is our demerits. We cannot force students to choose science subject according to their sexes. We have to ensure the all the students to work to choose the all the subjects according to their choice, according to their interest, according to their attitude, aptitude, not forcefully choose according to their teachers, according to their parents. So it's this common example I shared with you. Don't choose subjects according to their parents, according to others people. Always choose subjects according to interest, aptitude, or attitude. So that's all for today. From next video we will discuss about some more important topics of course 6 unit 2nd. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.